The Bombay High Court has quashed and set aside a media gag order which was passed by a special CBI judge in the alleged fake encounter case of Sohrabuddin Sheikh, Kausar B and Tulsiram Prajapati. In fact, the judge said the ban on publishing any part of the proceeding was contrary to law. Well, joining us now, one of the petitioners, my colleague Sunil Singh from our sister channel NDTV India. Sunil, thanks for speaking to us. This is, of course, exactly what you and journalists who went to court have been arguing against. What did the court say today?
देखिए, अदालत ने साफ तौर पर कहा कि ये जो फैसला था कोर्ट का, लोअर कोर्ट का, वो अवैधानिक है, क्योंकि लोअर कोर्ट को ये अधिकार ही नहीं है। सीआरपीसी 327 के तहत जो सुनवाई है, मुकदमा है, वो खुली कोर्ट में होना चाहिए। उसमें जनता भी उसमें जा सकती है और वो सुन सकती है। अगर इस तरह का गैग ऑर्डर लगाया जाता है तो ये न सिर्फ मीडिया के अधिकार का हनन है, बल्कि जनता के भी अधिकारों का हनन है। जनता को ये जानने का अधिकार है कि ट्रायल जो है, मुकदमा है, वो किस चल रहा है, कहीं सरकार और पुलिस उसमें किसी तरह की कोई गड़बड़ी तो नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये सब जानने का पूरा अधिकार है। और जो फैसला जो लोअर कोर्ट ने दिया, और वो एक पन्ने के पेज के एप्लीकेशन पर था, जिसमें सिर्फ एक बहुत ही वेग तरीके से कहा गया था कि मीडिया की रिपोर्टिंग की वजह से जो विटनेस हैं और जो वकील हैं उनको खतरा हो सकता है, और साथ ही एक नेशनल सिक्योरिटी भी खतरे में पड़ सकती है, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा। लेकिन कोई ऐसी कानूनी तर्क या कानूनी दलील इस तरह की नहीं दी गई थी जिससे कि वो फैसला कानून की कसौटी पर खरा माना जाए। और लोअर कोर्ट को जहां तक इस बात का अधिकार ही नहीं है, सिर्फ अधिकार तभी है जबकि मामला 376 से जुड़ा हुआ हो और वो इन कैमरा हो। हालांकि कोर्ट ने यह भी कहा कि अगर किसी गवाह की कोई सुरक्षा खतरे में होती है और इस तरह कुछ मामला, तो एक्सेप्शन में अदालत उस पर पाबंदी लगा सकती है उतने पर्टिकुलर हिस्से की रिपोर्टिंग के लिए। लेकिन ओवरऑल अगर हम किसी इस तरह के सेंसिटिव मुकदमे की भी बात करें तो पाबंदी नहीं लगाई जा सकती। और अदालत ने ये कहते हुए पूरे के पूरा जो आदेश था सीबीआई की ट्रायल कोर्ट का, उसको क्वाश और सेट असाइड कर दिया।
Sunil, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. So this is of course what the journalists had been arguing for, that this is the gag order that they want lifted, and strong words that we have heard from the court today, lifting the gag order and even saying the ban on publishing any part of the proceeding is contrary to law. Saurabh is now joining us for more on this. Saurabh, what more can you add? Saurabh, I just wondering if you can hear me?
Yes.
We were just speaking to Sunil Singh, our colleague, who's of course one of the petitioners in the case, given out more details, and there were of course some interesting comments there by the judge.
Well, obviously this is something that comes as a relief to everyone who's been covering this case, because this was at the time when this order was passed. Many of us were there present in the courtroom, and what was felt was that this was not good in law, and that is why these group of journalists who cover the Sessions Court on a regular basis, along with some other journalists, senior journalists, got together and filed this petition because obviously in a daily trial in an open court, there is, unless there is a very specific reason to keep things private, to keep things secret, there is no reason that a trial shouldn't be held in open court. And the crux of the argument seems to have been that there would be a threat, and that argument clearly is misplaced. At least that's what the journalists felt, given the fact that this case has already been widely reported upon in the media. And following that, journalists got together, pooled in money, and for the cost of the petition, and lawyers agreed to take up this case pro bono, and appeared for the group of the journalists independently, irrespective of their affiliation to their various media houses, filed this petition, and this petition was heard, and then of course this order of the Sessions Court, of the trial court, to actually curb, I beg your pardon, not the Sessions Court, the trial court, to curb this right to report, has finally been overturned by the Bombay High Court.
Right. Thanks very much for joining us with all of that. This, of course, the big story. All the journalists who'd gone to court on this, and the court make it very clear that the trial court ought not to have gagged not to have gagged journalists, even saying it's contrary to law.